Hello, good morning,
Good
Philippe.
morning.
You had a good event and you were able to meet with various stakeholders of Pakistan pharmaceutical industry. So, what's your say?
So first of all, it was my first time in Pakistan. So unfortunately, it was just a little bit more than one day, but it was a very great experience. And again, I'm definitely going to come back. Wonderful country, wonderful people. So the event was great, and again, it's very different. You know, the discussion with the pharma industry in Pakistan. I learned a lot, different challenge, but also I would say different opportunities. I think the fact that a lot of big pharma are not really here, they don't see it probably as a big potential in terms of renewal that is helping the local pharma to develop, their own pharma. So I think they have already done a lot in terms of for the local population and the quality. And of course, their biggest challenge is now exporting. You know, they want to export more. So especially compared to the neighbor countries, you know, when you see what they are doing in terms of export, Pakistan is far from that. And there is no real reason, you know, they have the quality, they have everything to do good quality pharmaceutical products, but I think it's a challenge, you know, to get there. In terms of export, you know, from what I know, I think it's probably only 4% or something like that. So there's a lot, you know, to be done. They have, of course, big objective to double, you know, year after year, you know, the volume of export, but not starting from a very low level in the previous years. So, but again, for me, what is most important is really the national benefit, the pride, you know. So there is a lot of, I said, great people, good talent here. So there is no reason why it should not work.